Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I want to do a DIY of flaxseed gel. I have my flaxseed here, and I'm also going to be adding cloves. This is not my favorite spice to add on anything concerning my hair journey. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, these are the process. Okay, I'm going to add the cloves in the pot. If you want to measure it, you can add 2 tablespoons of clove. Okay, then I will add water. All right, I'll transfer this in this pot, then add water. Then I'll leave this clove to boil for like 2 minutes before I'll add my flaxseed. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing next after the clove has boiled. All right, so after 2 minutes my cloves is ready. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flaxseed inside. I am going to stir those together, and I'll set it aside for it to boil for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes my flaxseed gel is ready. This is how it's gonna look like. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it into this strain and strain it out. I let it cool down for a bit before I did this because it was very hot. So it's, as you can see, it's a bit steamy. So that's why I'm using this iron shifter to strain it out. Then I transferred it into my wig cap, okay, to press out all the whole gel from it. Then this, I'm going to use this for a deep condition, which you'll see that later in another video. I've transferred it into the container I need it to use to apply on my hair. Then I'm going to add some essential oil. Don't mind my voice. Some essential oil into it. I'm going to be using peppermint and tea tree. Okay, and I'm going to also add the oils I use on my natural hair. So guys, you can use this as a leave-in conditioner, you can use this as a deep treatment, you can use this to do your twist out. Is also good for twist out. So this is my hair right now. I am going to lose it and you show you guys what my afro looks like. Yeah guys, so this is what my afro looks like right now. Okay, so I'm going to apply this all over my hair. I'm going to divide my hair in sections so that it's more easy for me to apply this on my hair. Guys, I had like bantu knot or knot on my hair. I had to like cut it out. I don't know why my hair was just acting up, just freezed up. So that is the reason why I did this treatment, so that my hair can be soft and silky, because I went through online to do research on how to make your hair silky and soft, and I noticed that flaxseed makes the hair silky and soft. So I decided to try this, and it really works. My hair was so silky and soft, and again my hair was coily, guys. Like, look at the coil definition. There was definition in coil on my hair. So I was really loving this on my hair. It's good for all hair types. If you are not natural, if you are relaxed, it's also good for your hair. So guys, I'm just going to do this all over my hair. I came a bit closer so you guys can see how it's really helped my hair to, like, my hair was just loving it. So I kept on using my hand to detangle it. Then later on I'll use my comb and white toothbrush to really detangle it very well. So guys, as you can see, the coils looks it's coily, right? I'm not the only one saying this, right? Look at the other side, it looks phrased out, and this side is a bit coiling, where I've already detangled and, you know, removed all the whole knots you get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let me know down in the comment section if you have tried this. Let me know how your hair felt like. Okay, so I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys. So guys, you can see the coils, right? Bye guys. So guys, this is what my hair looks like right now after I finish applying this on my hair, and I am going to turn so you guys can see the back of my hair. This is the back of my hair. This is so good, guys. Like, it made my hair soft. I am so amazed by this. So after I finish detangling my hair, I put it in a plastic wrapper. So I'm going to sleep with this then, because I'm going out tomorrow by 4, before 4, like 3:30. So when I'm having my bath in the afternoon, I will rinse this out of my hair and we'll see the final results. Okay, all right. So guys, I've washed out the treatment from my hair and my hair feels so soft. Like, this flaxseed is so good for our natural hair. I never knew this, and it's still coily, guys. Like, I am so amazed, and my hair feels soft, silky. I could comb it out. I'm just so happy about this result. So guys, my hair is dried here and there's still coils on it. Like, this is so amazing. You guys need to try this flaxseed. I don't know if I'm the first person that is so amazed about this. So guys, this is what 24 hours of putting flaxseed gel on my hair. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Oh, I'm wearing something inside. What do you guys think about the coils? Alright, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. And click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And so like and comment and share. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.